Hello guys, this is another video on how to master driving. So I already did the first video on how you can drive automatic vehicle, and this is going to be the part 2 of the video. So like I said, this is our gear lever and this is our steering. So we have our ignition system here. So I'm gonna start. So the vehicle is on right now. So mind you, we have the wiper here. If it's raining, you can use the wiper over here, just turn on and it will start swinging. So you go up and that's the off. So I'm going to teach how you can balance your driving. Okay, for the steering is divided into half part to the passenger side and half to the driver side. So if I should turn like this, you can see that it has ended, and it will require 2 times also to go back to the other side. So this is it, you can see. So to straighten the steering, I have to turn this 1.5. so let's say we go like this, it's 1, and we go like this again, completed. So I am going to move right now. So to move, I just gonna take the lever from this pack that it is to the drive. So we have the pack where we have the reverse, the neutral, we have the drive 3, 2 and 1. So initially I said as a learner you may use the 2 in order not to speed up, but for now I guess you guys should have gone so far. So you just have to bring to the drive directly. So we have a pin here. Let me show you. You see this pin, you just have to pull in and you drag to the drive. So but before you do that, make sure you depress the brake pedal. So you look closely, we have the accelerator and we have the brake here. So you depress and then you pin and drag to the drive. So you can see how direct it is to the drive. And make sure that once you've inserted on drive, don't hold the lever so you don't make mistake to push to reverse. That would end up damaging your gearbox. So since we've inserted on the drive, what you have to do now is to look straight to your screen, to your windscreen, and you can see that it's not clear, so you just have to use the wiper to clear off. So you on the wiper here, and then we have the travigator. You draw down is left, you can see the sign, and up is right. So we are going to draw down, and then since it's already on drive, we are going to look straight. So you see, looking here, this is our target. Watch how I'm going to enter. Just have to go. Okay, look at my steering is straight. Okay, make sure you are using your side mirror and then you move. So you have to master. You can see the line on the road. Let me show you. We have line. So master the front. I'm going to show you how you can balance. Then off the travigator. In some automatic vehicle, it will automatically off. So you have to just look straight. Maintain the lane, and then you accelerate. So you can see how we are moving. And in order to enter the other lane, the other side of the road, you trafficate, so that passenger will know that you are entering, and then off, then go straight. So to enter, you trafficate again. Let's say I'm going to turn at this point, I'll slow down. Depress the pedal little by little. You depress, and then the trafficator is already on. Then you look at the road. Make sure you look very well before entering, so you don't end up passing someone's vehicle, dodging someone's vehicle. So you can see how the road is. Though we can enter, but it's not good as a learner. You can see the things coming, so you just have to slow. And when turning, mind you, be careful with turning this so you don't turn over. So look how I'm going to return. Okay, You see, we return slowly and straighten the steering. You can see that the steering is now aligned with the vehicle dashboard. So we go ahead and focus on our movement. Use the on, and each time you are going to overtake, make sure you use the on. So master, like I said, master the road, then make sure you use your on. Oh no, you can see what they are driving. What a bullshit is that? Fuck you. Okay, so guys, that is how to steady your driving. I guess you all have learned something from this. So if it were to be the manual cars, you would be changing gears, but this is automatic, so it will automatically change by itself. So let's speed up. Okay guys, and if you are learning on before overtaking, so if you are learning, don't speed much so you don't end up badging someone's car. So that is how we roll here. Hope you find the video helpful. Do well to like, comment and share your opinion, guys. Okay, so slow down. When slowing down, you just have to depress slowly. You can see slowly, and make sure the trafficator is on. Then you turn. So at this point you can turn 360. Yeah, you can turn 360. Accelerate and you release slowly and you are good to go. So guys, that is a simple way to go about driving of a thing. Simple. Let's use a wiper. So let's say I'm going to slow down. I just have to turn on the trafficator and slowly we enter. Okay, and then we stop here. Let's say we are stopping here, so you just have to head on to the brake pedal, hold tight. You can see the brake pedal, hold tight, and then come over to the gear lever and you push to park, and you turn off your engine. Make sure you turn off your wiper first and you turn off the engine. You remove the key. So guys, that is a simple way to steady the driving. So this is a part 2 of the video. I already did the part 1. See you guys in the next video.